What's the meaning of air to ground? Air to ground. Air to ground. Air to ground. Air to ground. Air to ground.
Air-to-ground refers to military operations or weapon systems that involve attacking ground targets from an airborne platform, such as a fighter aircraft, helicopter, or drone. This type of warfare is commonly used for close air support, where aircraft provide firepower and reconnaissance support to ground troops, or for strategic bombing campaigns. Air-to-ground attacks can range from small precision strikes with guided bombs or missiles, to large-scale saturation bombing with unguided munitions. The effectiveness of air-to-ground attacks depends on the skill and training of the pilots, as well as the accuracy and power of the weapons systems used.